We had a few goals. We were hoping to revitalize chemistry at Olin. We wanted chemistry as related to society, to history, to economics, right, to all sorts of angles that matter to all of us.
The goal that we set out was to create a class that presented chemistry fundamentals in a coherent way and in a way that the real-world application of the chemistry was in the driver's seat. So we designed the class around case studies and themes that motivated students to learn the actual chemistry fundamentals so that they could understand those case studies at a deeper level.
We want engineers, of course, to have the technical background, right, to have skills, computational abilities, and so on, but they have to take their scientific and technical knowledge and make it effective in the world. So we're trying to help these students articulate their ideas for different audiences, question their ideas to bring contextual values into the equation.
There was very much an environmental flavor to this particular chemistry class. But we would present something like the ozone hole as an environmental problem and understand the cultural, political, and social context of the ozone hole and use all of that context to motivate our desire to understand the chemical kinetics that were the foundation for the ozone hole.
Our Chemistry in Context project for this semester is to kind of look at different properties of gluten-free bread. So there's a lot of chemistry involved in baking, you know, like what yeast does, what gluten does within the loaf before and after baking. Not only are we learning about this cool chemistry that everyone's doing, we're learning about like the social context behind it, and it gives us a reason to be here learning that chemistry.
Because I'm going to be an electrical and computer engineer, I think this class allowed me to delve deeper into silicon chemistry, which was my actual final project, looking at how can we apply silicon to solar panels and solar energy harvesting. I think how this class will make me a better engineer is it'll give me that technical expertise in sort of the semiconductor industry.
As an Olin student, I do pay attention and I'm interested in societal issues of the day. Talking about things like climate change, not only as a horrible thing, but also why it's a horrible thing. In terms of the chemistry and what kinds of economic, social, cultural factors also contribute to that, was super interesting.